Oh, I get all kinds of junk mail. And this junk mail kind of stuck out to me, and right before I threw it away, I was like, whoa! That's really cool! Page 37. All right, so this is a marketing thing. They, the very center, it costs the most, and they put the order form there. So while you're filling out the order form, you decide, might as well. What's wrong with that guy? Anyways, might as well get some PEZ while you're at it. PEZ 10. $20. Choking hazard. Anyways, regardless, this is some good advertising by PEZ. I mean, they're putting their name out there. That and with all the new Funko stuff that they're offering, variations on them, things never offered before. Still like PEZ though. But Pluto is a bad dog. So until next time.